My name's Alex, and I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about my career so far, even though I'm quite early on in it. I'm 24 and I run a video production company. So what that means is we create online videos for companies. So it might be for music festivals or different kinds of brands that need to promote their products and services to their audiences. I left school at the end of 5th year in 2012, so I'm quite fresh to this game. So at school, my favourite subjects were drama, media and music. And I knew I really wanted to do something in the creative industries, but I wasn't sure what. But for those of you who might be in the same boat, I wouldn't let that put you off. So when I was in 3rd year at school, I did work experience at a theatre, and I really loved it. And it just showed me how much there was beyond just the kind of things you see at the forefront of, say, theatre or other creative industries. So there was a huge team behind the closed doors actually making everything happen. Off the back of that, I did lots of drama activities, and in 4th and 5th year, I did lots of other work experience placements, which really helped me kick off my career. So in 5th year, I was pretty bored at school, which might end up being the situation for a lot of people. And so I wanted to leave, but my plan was to get a part-time job and to get a bit more work experience, unpaid work experience. But then I came across an apprenticeship in digital media, and there was about 50 people applied and 8 of us got a job, and then 2 of us were placed at a company called Creative Scotland. And my previous work experience doing lots of different placements whilst I was at school really helped me to get this job. So there was 2 of us at Creative Scotland, and we worked 4 days a week at work, and we went 1 day a week to college, and we did this for a full year. And we made lots of videos, photos and website content for the organisation. And we got paid to be there, which was really exciting because after that I got to go to America for 3 months, but I was able to pay for that myself. So it was our job to go across Scotland and film lots of different music projects that the organisation funded. And I learnt a lot here. They gave us a camera and just told us to go for it. And we got to learn a lot about the technical stuff, but also about how to work with other people, which is really important. There was 2 of us as apprentices at the organisation. We both had really different routes actually. I went to a school that everybody went to university, but Ethan, the other apprentice, he hadn't done too well at school, but it was an equally valid route for both of us, which helped us both in our careers. So from the back of our apprenticeship, we both went to Napier and we both studied film, and then I went on to do business management. But in my spare time at uni, I was doing lots of different things, like short films, asking people for work, that kind of thing. So, we made lots of short films, we built up a portfolio, and we knew from our apprenticeship lots of different people. So we'd say to them, can we come and film your event? And we did that together, me and the other apprentice who had been there. So this meant that we didn't need a job whilst we were studying, which was ideal. So this is us too. So at the end of university, we knew that we didn't want to go into employment. We knew we wanted to set up our own business. So whilst we were still at uni, we set up our production company called High Tide. And I do all the kind of client-facing side of things, and then Ethan does all of the technical, actual filming and editing of our work. So this year has been an amazing year. We've filmed with Just Eat, Tesco, Krabby's Ginger Beer, Underbelly, and it's just been a really exciting time for us. We rent an office, which is this little photo of our office, and we employ people on individual projects, so we don't have anybody full-time, but when we need them, we draft them in. And last night we won an award, which was a great part of our journey so far. So some of my top tips for you guys, I know you might seem quite early on in your career, but if you can do as much work experience as you can whilst you're at school, it just gives you a really good start. You learn so much as you're doing it. I would find a subject that you love and stick to it. For me at school that was drama, and then I eventually arrived at the route I was in. But loving a subject was definitely really useful. And finally, have lots of fun whilst you're doing it. I think everybody should have fun whilst they're at work because it makes everything a bit more enjoyable. So yeah, thank you very much.